Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a burger box with paper using an easy method. First, gather your materials. You'll need a single sheet of sturdy paper, ideally around 8.5 by 11 inches, along with scissors, a ruler, and a pencil. Don't forget a glue stick or some tape to secure your box. This simple project is perfect for packing up a delicious burger for a picnic or a friend. Now, let's start folding the base. Begin by folding your paper in half lengthwise, then unfold it to create a central crease. Next, fold both long edges inward so they meet this center line. After that, fold the entire paper in half widthwise and unfold it. Finally, make 2 more widthwise creases, dividing the paper into 4 equal sections across its width. These folds form the foundation of your burger box. With your base folds complete, it's time to shape the sides. Carefully cut along the creases on the short ends of your paper, stopping at the first horizontal fold line. Now, fold those small end flaps inward and apply a bit of glue or tape to secure them. Then, bring the larger side panels up and attach them to these flaps, forming the walls of your box. Make sure all edges are neatly aligned for a sturdy finish. For the final touches, fold down the remaining top flaps to create a secure lid for your burger box. Take a moment to reinforce any weak spots with a little extra glue or tape to ensure it holds up well. Your custom paper burger box is now complete and ready to hold your delicious meal. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.